die today. When razors skate upside your face, I can say you almighty J. I hit you with that try me face.
Did y'all catch that almighty J bar though? Guess who's back again. Scru is back. Tell a friend. Scru is back. It's me, SimbaTv. Bang! What is good, YouTube fam? It's your boy Simba, come back here again with another reaction video for you guys today. For today's reaction video, we got Scru Face, Jane, Slime, Shady, man, official video. Now, I've been away, you know, but I know Lord Jameer, whatever you want to call him. I know he says some things, man, on Twitter or Instagram Live or something like that. He says some things, and now this is Scru responding to that. And I can't wait to get up in it, man. If you guys are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become part of the notification gang. We're bringing new videos to you every single day. So without further ado, let's jump up in it.
Oh, man. Hey. Joey not a wanna be. Look. Now y'all act like you never seen a black person before. Now I'm cursing worse than before. You getting work when I burst at this door. Please go get the hearse, I'm finna hurt it for sure. Dig holes in the earth for these boys until there's dirt in their pores. I'm Hercules, boy, but Hades wrote this verse for me, boy. I search and destroy a $150 Mercury's, boy. Because you niggas fake as Kylie face. Simon say you gon' die today. When razors skate upside your face, I can say you almighty J. I hit you with that try me face.
Did y'all catch that almighty J bar though? Now that's what I'm talking about, Scru. That's what I'm talking about. Come out swinging, you know. Show your wordplay. Show your diversity. Now I don't know if a lot of you guys know who almighty J is, but he's a rapper from the YBN, and he recently, well, it wasn't recently, but in the past, he got jumped or whatever or something like that. And they cut him. They cut his face. Blade his face, man. So that bar is dope, man. That bar is dope off of that wordplay, off of that situation.
Joey not a wanna be. Look. Now y'all act like you never seen a black person before. Now I'm cursing worse than before. You getting work when I burst at this door. Please go get the hearse, I'm finna hurt it for sure. Dig holes in the earth for these boys until there's dirt in their pores. I'm Hercules, boy, but Hades wrote this verse for me, boy. I search and destroy a $150 Mercury's, boy. Because you niggas fake as Kylie face. Simon say you gon' die today. When razors skate upside your face, I can say you almighty J. I hit you with that try me face. Doesn't matter what time of day. From the jungle with lions, 8, I learned English in '98. First off, that means I work hard. Workhorse with all the worst scars. You dead whenever. We on your head forever like a birthmark. That title, you gon' give me that. Like Jigga with that freaking nap. Yo, how is that a mini Mac? That bitch the size of midget Mac. Babies moving powder on the street. Call it Similac. I hope you getting that. I only said that for my nigga down.
I'm Slime Shady. I'm out of my mind, baby. Uncle used to grind crazy. Turned dimes into a baby. They're leaving no evidence. Niggas be peddling. They moving that medicine. All white like Eminem. I'm Slime Shady. I'm out of my mind, baby. Uncle used to grind crazy, turn dimes into a baby. They're leaving no evidence. Niggas be peddling. They moving the medicine. All white like Eminem.
Well, that Neff ain't got a cousin his raps to sell records. Well, I do. So fuck him and fuck you too. You think I give a damn about 1 million NF fans and comments just going ham like unsubscribe and fuck you, man? Well, damn, thought this was hip hop. Well, you had to keep your shit cocked. Honestly, no comedy. My drama be Alfred Hitchcock. No diss.
Ooh, okay. I like what he doing. You know, I like what he's doing. I think Scru is one of those rappers where he kind of sets himself in a box a little bit, you know? Because, I mean, in my opinion, Scru be reaching. As you guys know, man, in my opinion, Scru be reaching. But I think that he's lyrically sound, but coming at NF? Come on now. Like, NF? Come on now. And, like, it's a good NF. I wouldn't even call it a diss. It's a good nudge to NF. So I dig it. I fuck with it. You know, but NF is NF, you know. You coming for, you go awake the monster. Like, but hey, throw your hat into the ringer, man. All props, you know. Throw your hat into the ringer. Get your name bigger. I want to see him succeed, man. So it's all love.
Leaving no evidence, niggas be peddling, they moving the medicine, all white like Eminem.
Well, that Neff ain't got a cuss in his raps to sell records. Well, I do, so fuck him and fuck you too. You think I give a damn about a million NF fans and comments just going ham like unsubscribe and fuck you, man? Well, damn, thought this was hip hop. Well, you had to keep your shit cocked. Honestly, no comedy. My drama be Alfred Hitchcock. No dissing, I'm just competitive. Kumbayas get repetitive. Everybody the best of friends, never even stood next to them. Slime Shady, sick of swamp, baby. I need medicine. His head is spin when I deck his chin, knock him out like a sedative. Go follow that boy Nato, that's the record producer. But if I catch this beat on another EP, boy, I'm a record producer. But I'm not gonna lie, not a violent guy before the record producer. And one night you'll get 100 beats, that's a record producer. Niggas getting 86, flood the streets like 85. Ronald Reagan maybe tied the Black Slim Shady live.
I'm Slime Shady, I'm out my mind, baby. Uncle used to grind crazy, turned dimes into a baby. You're leaving no evidence.
Don't burn down the garage with all that heat, man. I like the song. I like the song for sure, man. I like the wordplay and just the play itself off of, you know, the real Slim Shady, man. So I like what he's doing there. I like how he tucked the beat and Nato, you know, mixed it into, you know, Scru's own type of flavor, and then Scru came, you know, with hints of Eminem type lyrics, but with his own twist on it, and I really enjoy that.
Niggas be peddling, they moving that medicine, all white like Eminem. I'm Slime Shady, I'm out my mind, baby. Uncle used to grind crazy, turned dimes into a baby. You're leaving no evidence, niggas be peddling, they moving the medicine, all white like Eminem. And there's a million of us just like me, yeah. There's a million niggas just like me. Be proud to be out of your mind and out of control. One more time, loud as you can, holler it, bro. I'm Slime Shady, I'm out my mind, baby. Uncle used to grind crazy, turn dimes into a baby. Yeah, they're leaving no evidence. Yeah, niggas be peddling. Yeah, they moving the medicine, all white like Eminem. I'm Slime Shady, I'm my mind, baby. Uncle used to grind crazy, dimes into a baby. Shout out to NF, by the way. Let's keep it hip hop. Yeah.
I would love if he said, you know, like, you know, I'm just playing NF. You know I love you. Like, that would have been so funny.
You think they're gonna be mad at that? You think they're gonna take it as this? Man, they always do anyway. Fuck it. Face. The cops can't do it, man. Dressed to the next to a burnt down house with a can full of gas and a handful of matches. Instead, would have found out. Hair around that, it's fucking good. Which of his hands?
I like it, man. I like it. I like his little take on the real Slim Shady. I think he did the song justice for sure. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. Thank you guys for commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
There's smoke on a hill.